I'd read and heard so much about the GoPro Hero 11's performance that I decided to buy one. However, after looking at the various sites of Japanese dealers offering the camera, I realized that the prices were higher than I'd ever expected. Finally, before calling it quits, I pulled up the US GoPro site and found that I could get the same camera at a price that would be within my budget with a tripod mount added to boot. I'd been wanting a rugged, waterproof camera that would function well at cold temperatures to film my farm and garden videos. At the same time, I wanted something that I could put on my car to make driving videos. Add to that, a camera that could capture my martial arts kids' moves in practice, and something with stabilization good enough to make walking videos of landmarks and temples would be perfect. The GoPro Hero 11 definitely seemed to be the answer. Here's a breakdown of the prices I paid for the GoPro Hero and a few accessories. Delivery was extremely fast considering it came from overseas. As soon as the camera came, I eagerly took it out of the box and tried to open the cover for the battery and micro SD housing. Damn, that thing was on there tight. It finally got to the point where I thought I might have to resort to GoPro's no questions asked replacement policy when I applied enough force to either open or break the camera. Luckily, the cover finally opened without the destruction of the camera. When it came to the setup with the quick app and installing the firmware, nothing went like the how-to videos I'd watched, and I wound up figuring out workarounds. I must say, though, that outside of the ridiculously tight cover, the quality of everything is quite good. Charging the battery was a pain until the cover got a little looser. However, now after 2 weeks, it comes off with moderate pressure, so that was basically a temporary thing. All I need to do to charge the battery is to connect the USB cord. The red lamp on the camera goes out when it's fully charged. If you plan to buy the camera and happen to have a tripod lying around, then I really think the tripod mount is a good investment. The adhesive mount that came standard with the camera can probably be mounted on a helmet or other surface. I chose to mount it on my car's dashboard. Thanks for watching.